welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Project MC Square Addison journal. I already took it out and put the batteries in. It requires 3 batteries. And there is a on-off switch. So you just push it to the on. And it has this little bracelet that says Genius. And all you need, you just take it, swipe it. It's very fun. It has this mini one, little book. It has a little code at the end. And there's all these little activities you can do. It has facts throughout it. And it also comes with these little stickers that you could decorate your book with. And you can also fit your phone in here. Just push this up or down, leave it down. And the invisible marker, and the lighter is inside, right there. So let's get stuff. Go. It's kind of hard to close. The tip gets ruined when you try to close it, because it's kind of hard. There we go. Put that back in. And just press this button. Do you know what I do? If you can't really read it, it says subscribe. Yeah, the marker is kind of bad, so. And you just put these back in. Boom. And it speaks through here. You have the little holes. And yeah, you can't see the hidden message. And it's really cool.
Mission complete. Flawlessly handled, Agent.
And there's also, if you lose your bracelet, there's a little button you can push there with the pencil. You just poke it in there and it can open. It's cool. Yeah, this is very colorful, cool little book, notebook, I guess. And if you didn't know, Addison stands for Advanced Digital Intelligent Spy Notebook. This is really cool. If you guys like spying and pretending to be spies or something, this is totally for you. And this bracelet, sometimes it can say nerdy. I have Genius one. Genius. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and if you like this video, please subscribe and give a like. And now I'm doing a thing where I will be commenting, and I'll be talking and replying to you guys for the first 20 minutes after I post my videos. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.